Hello guys, welcome to tutorials. Once again, I want to show you how you can multiply your ads, how you can add ads to your video, and this video must be, let's go. Okay guys, right now just go to your studio. I've already opened my studio. So when you go to your YouTube studio, all you do is click content. When you click content, you find a video that is longer than 7 minutes, from 8 minutes, and any kind of maximum video that you have, but the minimum length must be 8 minutes. In this way, you can multiply your ads by additional more ads to, there's some things that I can't say, so you have to understand if you really want many ads to display on your videos. That's if you're interested. This is how you can do it. Let me select one of my videos and show you how it goes. Like you can see, this one is above 8 minutes. That's 8 minutes 19 seconds. So this one, I'm going to use it now to multiply my ads. I want many ads to display on this very video while my audience watch it. So I will make it like this. In this case, other guys will say it increase rare. I don't know if it will be good for you or your audience, if it might be annoying that they get much ads on your video, but it depends on how you want it. But you have to think twice before you do whatever you do in the sake of your audience. So watch me out. My descriptions might be a little bit different from this video, but you have to understand between you that the reason I'm making this video is because of you, for your own favor, to understand what's popping though. So I come into this monetization $sign now. You can see all these things are already been turned on. So what I will do now is go to manage mid-row. Click manage mid-row to addition these ads. So you can see where YouTube placed my ads. YouTube placed my ad over here, which is not going to be enough for me. So I want to adjust them. Okay. Now that I'm here, I will go to ad break, start ad break. So I'm going to addition it, add, this is plus. I'm going to click this plus, ad break, meaning addition your ad. You are going to add more ad to this video. So you can see I have one here, which is here now. YouTube only placed one, which is not enough, so I'm going to add more on my own way, my own wish. Okay, let me check there where the third one are. How I can't find the third one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this ad. No, I'm going to leave it there. So this one I'm going to adjust it down. So okay, right now, okay, there's ad here now, and I'm going to leave one here. Okay, now I have added about 3 ads, which the other one, I think the other one will be deleted. So like you can see, within this time range, within this time frame, ads are going to come up, they're going to pop up in this video. So within here you can see it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 3. No, I'm going to delete this 5 minutes 3 because it's not possible I have 2 ads at the same time in mid-range. So you can see in 7 it's going to come up. This is how I made it. Okay, from the starting there is ads at the starting. This is how you multiply your ads. If you really want to multiply your ads, this is how it is. So you can see now. What's it? This one you draw. So it depends. You can only withdraw, I think, let me try to show you an example. First one, okay, let's install my ad. And here, this is the browser one. Okay, you can start mining video. This is beneficial for you, but I don't think Shopee can really make it. Always try to focus on your page clean. Try hard to be sure you get some page clean, because okay, also good for you to boost up your account. And then so this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for everything. So my title and my description shall tell you what I just did, so I hope you understand. Good luck, and then don't forget to continue to save. Don't discard, just save. We're done for today.